The power of leads, fueling your B2B success. In the fast-paced world of B2B, leads are the lifeblood of your business. They are the starting point of every successful sales journey, the spark that ignites the engine of growth and profitability. They are the potential customers who, with the right nurturing, can transform into loyal clients. These leads represent opportunities, each one a potential partnership that can drive your business forward. Without a steady stream of leads, your sales funnel runs dry, and your business growth stagnates. Imagine a car without fuel. It simply cannot move forward. Similarly, without leads, your business cannot progress. Effective lead generation is about identifying and connecting with businesses that are actively seeking your products or services. It's about understanding your target market and knowing where to find them. It's about cutting through the noise and reaching the right decision makers at the right time. In a world full of distractions, getting your message to the right people is crucial. But finding high-quality leads can often feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. The process can be time-consuming and frustrating, often leading to wasted resources and missed opportunities. This is where LeadRocks comes in, offering a powerful solution to streamline your lead generation efforts and unlock unprecedented growth. With advanced algorithms and a user-friendly interface, LeadRocks helps you identify and connect with high-quality leads efficiently. It takes the guesswork out of lead generation, allowing you to focus on what you do best, closing deals and growing your business. By leveraging the power of LeadRocks, you can ensure a steady flow of leads, keeping your sales funnel full and your business thriving. So, fuel your B2B success with LeadRocks and watch your business reach new heights. Introducing LeadRocks, your secret weapon for lead generation. LeadRocks is not just another lead generation tool. It's your secret weapon to unlocking a world of B2B opportunities. Imagine having access to a vast database of over 100 million business contacts, all at your fingertips. LeadRocks empowers you to pinpoint your ideal customers with laser precision. No more wasting time on generic lists or cold calling prospects who will never convert. With LeadRocks, you can build targeted lead lists based on industry, location, company size, job title, and much more. This means you can focus your efforts on connecting with businesses that are the perfect fit for your products or services. Unlocking the Vault LeadRocks treasure trove of data. LeadRocks grants you access to an unparalleled database of over 100 million business contacts. Imagine the power of having such a vast repository at your fingertips, ready to be tapped into for your business needs. This is not just any data. It's high-quality, verified information that can make all the difference in your outreach efforts. Each contact is meticulously verified to ensure accuracy, saving you time and effort in your marketing campaigns. Imagine having the direct email addresses, phone numbers, and even LinkedIn profiles of key decision-makers in your target market. This level of detail allows you to craft personalized messages that resonate with your audience, increasing your chances of making meaningful connections. LeadRocks provides you with the essential contact information you need to engage with prospects effectively. Whether you're reaching out via email, phone, or social media, having the right contact details is crucial for successful communication. But LeadRocks goes beyond just providing contact details. It offers a comprehensive suite of data that empowers you to understand your prospects better. You can also access valuable company information such as industry, revenue, employee count, and website details. This additional layer of data helps you to tailor your approach and strategy, making your outreach more effective and targeted. This allows you to qualify leads quickly and focus on the most promising opportunities. By understanding the context and background of each lead, you can prioritize your efforts and maximize your chances of success. With LeadRocks, you're not just getting data, you're gaining a strategic advantage. The treasure trove of information at your disposal can transform your business development efforts, leading to more meaningful engagements and successful outcomes. So unlock the vault today and discover the wealth of opportunities that await you with LeadRocks. Your journey to smarter, more effective outreach starts here. Section 4. LeadRocks in Action. A step-by-step guide to finding your ideal leads. In this chapter, we will walk you through the essential steps to effectively use LeadRocks for finding your ideal leads. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, this guide will provide you with the insights and tools you need to succeed. Using LeadRocks to find your ideal leads is incredibly easy. The platform is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, ensuring that even those with minimal technical skills can navigate it with ease. The platform's user-friendly interface guides you through the process, making lead generation a breeze. With clear instructions and helpful tips at every step, you'll never feel lost or overwhelmed. Step 1. Define your target audience. This is a crucial step in the lead generation process. Knowing who your ideal customer is will help you tailor your search and find the most relevant leads. Start by clearly defining your ideal customer profile. Consider factors such as demographics, psychographics, and behavioral characteristics. What industry are they in? Are they in healthcare, technology, finance, or another sector? Understanding the industry will help you target your search more effectively. What is their company size? Are you targeting small businesses, mid-sized companies, or large enterprises? Knowing the size of the company can help you tailor your approach. What are their pain points? Identifying the challenges and issues your potential leads face will allow you to offer solutions that meet their needs. Step 2. Enter your search criteria. This is where the magic happens. By entering specific criteria into LeadRocks, you can narrow down your search and find leads that match your ideal customer profile. Use LeadRocks' powerful search filters to narrow down your search based on your target audience criteria. These filters allow you to be as broad or as specific as you need to be. You can filter by industry, location, job title, keywords, and more. This level of customization ensures that you find the most relevant leads for your business. Step 3. Explore your results. Once you've entered your search criteria, LeadRocks will generate a list of leads that match your specifications. LeadRocks will generate a list of leads that match your search criteria. This list is your goldmine, filled with potential customers who are likely to be interested in your products or services. You can then browse through the list, view detailed company and contact information, and gain insights into each lead's background and needs. And select the leads that are the best fit. This step is crucial as it allows you to prioritize and focus on the leads that have the highest potential for conversion. Step 4. Export and connect. After identifying your ideal leads, the next step is to export the data and start your outreach efforts. Once you've identified your ideal leads, you can easily export the data in various formats, such as CSV or Excel. This flexibility allows you to integrate the data into your existing systems seamlessly. You can then integrate this data with your CRM or outreach tools. This integration ensures that your sales and marketing teams have access to the most up-to-date information and start connecting with your prospects. Whether you prefer to reach out via email, phone, or social media, having accurate and detailed lead information will enhance your outreach efforts and increase your chances of success. Section 5. Unbeatable value. LeadRocks one-time payment offer. In a world of recurring subscription fees, LeadRocks stands out with its incredible one-time payment offer. For a limited time, you can gain lifetime access to LeadRocks' powerful lead generation platform for just $79. That's right, a one-time payment of $79 gives you unlimited access to LeadRocks' vast database, advanced search filters, and data export capabilities. No monthly fees, no hidden costs, just pure lead generation power at your fingertips. This is an unbeatable value for any B2B business looking to supercharge its lead generation efforts and unlock unprecedented growth. You can save $1,660. Can you imagine this?